Today we will be showing you how to prime the pump in a Prochem Endeavor carpet cleaner machine. First, open the lid on the solution tank and fill with an appropriate cleaning solution after correct dilution. Next, you'll need to switch the prime valve and the pump on. Leave for about 30 seconds for best results. This will filter water to the dirty water tank located at the top of the machine. This helps to clear any air trapped in the pump. Ensure the lid is securely placed back on the tank before moving on to the next step. As an additional step, switch on the vacuum and place your hand over the vacuum hose repeatedly until 30 seconds have passed. Once finished, switch the prime valve, the pump and the vacuum off. Finally, you'll need to clear the solution hose. Connect the hose to the machine and switch the pump on. Increase the pressure to the desired PSI, but no more than 500 as this may damage the machine. Continuously spray solution onto carpet for a few seconds. The spray can also be emptied into a container if you prefer. Turn the pressure valve down when finished and switch off the pump. Energize the hand tool by applying pressure to the trigger. This will ensure the solution hose is clear.